In this question, we're having a look at how to find the derivative of a product of two expressions. We can see we've got x squared plus 5 in one bracket and 3x to the 4 minus 7x squared in another bracket. Before we start, let's have a look at basic differentiation. If we've got a series of terms added together, or there's some subtract signs in between as well, we can differentiate each term by using the basic principle of saying, let's take the power of the term out the front, multiply it by the coefficient, and then reduce the power by 1. And we can see that here in this basic example where we've got ax to the n, and we differentiate it to become an x to the n minus 1. So to follow that process in this example, what we need to do is multiply out the brackets. In this case, that's probably not too difficult, but sometimes it might be quite complex to multiply out the brackets if the powers are high, and also if the brackets include a lot of terms. So we'll have a look at a particular rule that breaks up this expression into two parts, the two brackets that we can see here in red and blue, and we'll follow what's called the product rule. The basic product rule says if we have two expressions, in this case u and v, multiplied together, we can find the derivative using the following process. The derivative is the derivative of the first expression multiplied by the second plus the derivative of the second expression multiplied by the first. Let's have a look at that now using our specific example, which is y equals x squared plus 5 multiplied by 3x to the 4 minus 7x squared. So the derivative of the first bit shown in red is 2x, and we multiply that by the second bracket. Now what we're going to do is add the derivative of the second bracket, which is 12x cubed minus 14x, and that's multiplied by x squared plus 5. And that's our final answer. Often what happens is, in questions like this with the product rule, they'll actually say do not simplify beyond the first line. But if it doesn't say that, we are obliged to multiply out those brackets and then simplify our answer.